To blur the background of your lock screen wallpaper on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find wallpaper and style. Tap wallpaper and style and then tap the lock screen thumbnail. Now tap the effects button at the bottom of the screen. Swipe the screen to the left to find blur effect. Tap the back gate and then tap done button to save the change. To see the result, go to your lock screen. As you can see, the background of your lock screen wallpaper has been blurred. Okay, thank you for watching. Please help to like and subscribe. Have a nice day.